And back here at home, the Louisiana Department of Health is encouraging people to get vaccinated against whooping cough, saying it's preventable. This as they report 6 new whooping cough cases. Pregnant women are urged to get vaccinated to protect their infants from the time of their birth. Doctors saying the youngest are the most vulnerable to whooping cough. Doctors also urging anyone who knows they are going to come into contact with infants to get the vaccine as well.
Cases. So pertussis, which is also known as whooping cough, is a highly infectious respiratory disease. It is spread through respiratory droplets that are produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes.
The state is reporting that 2 infants have died this year from whooping cough, and they also say there are no new measles cases here in our state.